Did you know that not all fruits are equally suitable for people with diabetes? While some can lead to unexpected blood sugar fluctuations, others naturally help stabilize your levels. Are you curious to discover which fruits are the most beneficial? In this video, we will unveil the top 7 superfruits for diabetics that not only lower blood sugar, but also enhance your overall health and satisfy your sweet cravings without guilt. Stay with us until the end, because these fruit choices may transform your diabetes management journey, and they are absolutely delicious. 1. Apples. Soluble fiber, particularly pectin, found in apples, slows down the digestion and absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. This provides a steady energy release throughout the day, helping individuals with diabetes avoid fatigue caused by fluctuating blood sugar. Apples have a low glycemic index, GI, meaning they do not significantly raise blood sugar levels after consumption, making them suitable for those managing glucose levels. Quercetin, an antioxidant present in apples, helps reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. Reducing inflammation is crucial for individuals with diabetes, as chronic inflammation can lead to complications such as heart disease and nerve damage. Apples also contain fiber, which helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and stabilize blood pressure. These are important factors as individuals with diabetes are at a higher risk of cardiovascular problems. Eating whole apples. Consuming whole apples preserves all the fiber, while apple juice often loses a significant amount of fiber and may contain added sugar. Pairing with protein or healthy fats. Combining apples with foods like peanut butter, almonds, or cheese helps balance blood sugar levels as protein and fats slow down sugar absorption. Creative ways to enjoy apples. Enjoying apples directly. Apples are a convenient and portable snack. Salads. Add sliced apples to salads for a crunchy texture and natural sweetness. Desserts. Baked apples with cinnamon are a low-calorie alternative to traditional desserts. Snacks. Combine apples with nuts for a nutritious snack. While apples are a healthy fruit, it's important to be mindful of how you consume them. Apple juice, often lacking fiber and potentially containing added sugar, can negatively impact blood sugar levels. Dried apples frequently contain added sugar or honey, which is not ideal for individuals with diabetes. Enjoy apples in moderation, as their natural sugar content can still affect blood sugar levels if consumed excessively. Aim for 1 to 2 apples per day to maintain a balanced diet. 2. Pears. Pears are a great choice for people with diabetes due to their high fiber content, low glycemic index, and abundance of vitamins and minerals. The high fiber content, both soluble and insoluble, helps slow down digestion and ensures a gradual release of sugar into the bloodstream, stabilizing blood sugar levels and preventing sudden spikes or drops. This is particularly beneficial for individuals managing diabetes. Pears have a low glycemic index, GI, which means they don't cause rapid increases in blood sugar after consumption. This helps maintain stable energy levels without significant fluctuations in blood sugar. Pears are rich in vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and helps the body fight off infections, a common concern for people with diabetes. They are also a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health, crucial for individuals with diabetes who are at a higher risk of cardiovascular disease. Additionally, pears contain antioxidants like flavonoids, which reduce inflammation, protect cells, and prevent damage to vital organs. Pears are a great addition to a healthy diet, offering numerous benefits for weight management, heart health, and overall well-being. Their low-calorie content and high fiber content contribute to a feeling of fullness, making them a valuable tool for weight control, which is particularly important for managing diabetes. The fiber in pears also helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, levels in the blood, while the potassium content helps maintain stable blood pressure. These factors work together to promote heart health. Pears' natural sweetness and low sugar content make them a delicious and healthy alternative to sugary treats, helping to curb cravings. Choose fresh, ripe pears. Naturally ripened pears are packed with nutrients and have a sweeter, more natural flavor. Avoid overripe or bruised pears, as they can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Limit processed pears. Canned or dried pears often contain added sugar, making them unsuitable for those managing blood sugar. Enjoy in moderation. 1 medium-sized pear, approximately 170 to 200 grams per day, is a good way to get your daily dose of nutrients without negatively impacting your blood sugar. 3. Cherries. Cherries are a delicious and nutritious fruit that offers several health benefits, particularly for individuals with diabetes. They contain anthocyanins, natural compounds that enhance insulin sensitivity, leading to improved blood sugar control. This is crucial for people with diabetes, as low insulin sensitivity is a primary cause of elevated blood sugar levels. Cherries also have a low glycemic index, GI, meaning that the sugar from cherries is released slowly into the bloodstream, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent sudden spikes. Furthermore, cherries are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and flavonoids, which help reduce inflammation. This is important for preventing diabetes complications such as nerve damage, heart disease, and blood vessel inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a common issue for people with diabetes, and the anthocyanins in cherries help to reduce inflammation and protect cells from oxidative damage. Cherries are a delicious and nutritious fruit that can offer several health benefits, particularly for those managing diabetes. The anthocyanins in cherries help improve insulin sensitivity, which in turn helps regulate glucose metabolism in the body. This can be beneficial for preventing complications associated with diabetes, such as cardiovascular disease, nerve damage, and vision loss. Cherries' anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties also contribute to their protective effects. Additionally, studies have shown that regular cherry consumption may reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes due to their positive impact on insulin and blood sugar levels. While fresh cherries are a healthy and delicious treat, it's important to be mindful of your intake, especially if you have diabetes. Canned or syrup-packed cherries often contain added sugar, which can be problematic for those managing blood sugar levels. Even fresh cherries, despite their low glycemic index, contain natural sugars. For individuals with diabetes, it's recommended to consume around 10 to 15 fresh cherries at a time to avoid exceeding recommended sugar intake. Opt for darker varieties of cherries, such as Bing cherries, as they are richer in anthocyanins, which offer numerous health benefits. 4. Peaches. Peaches offer a range of benefits for individuals managing diabetes. Their phenolic compounds enhance insulin sensitivity, enabling the body to utilize insulin more effectively and maintain stable blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes, whose ability to regulate glucose may be compromised. Peaches boast a low glycemic index, GI, meaning that sugar is released slowly into the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar. The fiber content further contributes to blood sugar control by slowing down the digestion and absorption of glucose. This also helps manage appetite and support weight management, crucial aspects of diabetes management. Peaches are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and promotes cardiovascular health, a top priority for individuals with diabetes. They are also a good source of vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system, supports anti-inflammatory processes, and protects cells. Peaches offer several benefits for managing blood sugar levels and overall health, particularly for individuals with diabetes. Their high fiber content and low glycemic index, GI, help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of blood sugar spikes after meals. The potassium in peaches supports blood pressure regulation, easing stress on the cardiovascular system and potentially preventing common diabetic heart complications. Additionally, the antioxidants in peaches combat inflammation and oxidative damage, both of which contribute to diabetic complications. Finally, the natural sweetness of peaches provides a satisfying alternative to sugary treats, helping to curb cravings without significantly impacting blood sugar levels. Avoid dried or canned peaches. Dried or canned peaches often contain added sugar, which is not suitable for people with diabetes. Control your portion size. One medium peach, about 150 to 170 grams per serving, is a good way to get nutrients without raising your blood sugar levels. Prioritize fresh peaches. Choose fresh peaches that are not overly ripe to avoid high natural sugar content. 5. Plums high in fiber. Fiber in plums slows down the digestion and absorption of sugar, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. This can reduce the risk of sudden blood sugar spikes and help people with diabetes manage their glucose levels more effectively. Low glycemic index, GI. Plums have a low GI, meaning they release glucose into the bloodstream slowly, making them suitable for blood sugar management. Natural prebiotics. Plums contain prebiotics, which nourish beneficial bacteria in the gut and improve digestive health. A healthy gut can help the body regulate glucose and improve insulin sensitivity. Antioxidants. Plums are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. This can help reduce the risk of diabetes complications, particularly cardiovascular disease and nerve damage. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C boosts the immune system and protects cells from oxidative stress. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and protect cardiovascular health, a crucial factor for people with diabetes. Plums offer a range of benefits for individuals managing diabetes. Their high fiber content and low glycemic index help regulate blood sugar levels, making them an effective tool for diabetes control. Plums are also low in calories and rich in fiber, promoting a feeling of fullness and aiding in weight management, a crucial factor in improving insulin sensitivity and diabetes management. The antioxidants in plums combat inflammation, reduce the risk of cell damage, and enhance cardiovascular health, all of which are vital for individuals with diabetes. Additionally, the prebiotics in plums contribute to a balanced gut microbiome, improving metabolism and blood glucose regulation. It's best to avoid dried or candied plums. Dried plums often contain high amounts of added sugar, which is not suitable for those managing blood sugar levels. Control your portions. While plums have a low glycemic index, they still contain natural sugars. Individuals with diabetes should aim to consume about 2 to 3 small plums at a time. Choose fresh, ripe plums. Fresh, unripe plums contain less natural sugar, making them a better choice for blood sugar management. 6. Kiwi. Kiwi is a fruit with a low glycemic index, GI of approximately 50, meaning it releases glucose into the bloodstream slowly and steadily. This helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar levels, making it a suitable choice for individuals with diabetes. Kiwi is also rich in fiber, which slows down the digestion and absorption of sugar, further contributing to better blood sugar control. This fiber content also promotes a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management, an important aspect of diabetes management. A medium-sized kiwi provides over 100% of the daily requirement for vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and protects cells from oxidative damage. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes, who are more susceptible to infections. Kiwi is packed with antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which reduce inflammation and protect cells from oxidative stress, a major contributor to diabetes-related complications. The potassium content in kiwi helps regulate blood pressure and supports cardiovascular health. This is crucial for individuals with diabetes who are at a higher risk of heart disease. Kiwi is a great addition to a healthy diet, offering numerous benefits for your well-being. Its high fiber content and low glycemic index, GI, help effectively manage blood sugar levels, especially when consumed alongside meals. Kiwi also contains a natural digestive enzyme called actinidin, which aids in digestion and promotes gut health. A healthy digestive system plays a crucial role in regulating glucose and insulin levels. Furthermore, kiwi's rich vitamin C content strengthens the immune system, protecting against infections and enhancing overall health, particularly beneficial for those with weakened immunity. By reducing chronic inflammation and supporting cardiovascular function, kiwi helps lower the risk of diabetes-related complications. Enjoy kiwi in moderation. While kiwi has a low GI and is rich in fiber, it still contains natural sugars. Individuals with diabetes should consume 1 to 2 kiwis per day to help manage blood sugar levels. Avoid canned or processed kiwi. Canned or sweetened kiwi is not suitable for those who need to control their sugar intake. Opt for ripe kiwi. Ripe kiwi offers a naturally sweet flavor and retains its full nutritional value. Avoid overripe or bruised kiwi. 7. Grapes antioxidants, particularly resveratrol. Resveratrol found in grapes helps reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and support blood sugar control. This can protect blood vessels, reduce the risk of cardiovascular and neurological complications, common issues for people with diabetes. Fiber. Fiber in grapes slows down the absorption of sugar, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. This improves digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C strengthens the immune system and protects cells from oxidative stress. Vitamin K supports bone health and regulates blood clotting. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and protect the cardiovascular system. High water content. Grapes have a high water content, 80%, which helps keep you hydrated and provides a refreshing feeling. Resveratrol, found in grapes, can help improve insulin sensitivity, enhancing your body's ability to use insulin and reducing the risk of insulin resistance, a key factor in type 2 diabetes. Grapes, with their low-calorie content and high fiber, can help you feel full for longer, making them a valuable tool for weight management, which is crucial for managing diabetes. Grapes are rich in antioxidants, which protect blood vessels and reduce the risk of heart disease, a particular concern for people with diabetes. The antioxidants in grapes, such as resveratrol and flavonoids, help reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. While grapes are a healthy fruit, they do contain a relatively high amount of natural sugar. For individuals with diabetes, it's recommended to consume around 10 to 15 small grapes at a time to maintain blood sugar control. Avoid processed grapes. Canned or dried grapes often contain added sugar, making them unsuitable for people with diabetes. Pair grapes with protein or healthy fats. Combining grapes with nuts or cheese can help slow down the absorption of sugar. Opt for fresh, whole grapes. Grape juice often lacks fiber and can be high in sugar, making it less ideal for blood sugar management. Discover the top 7 superfruits that can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes. These fruits are not only delicious, but also rich in nutrients that can aid in blood sugar management. Which fruit are you most eager to try first? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health advice, and share it with others who might benefit from these diabetes-friendly options. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.